The price of Mantra OM crypto is definitely going to be hitting $2 in the next coming few weeks. And this is one of the reasons why, if you are investing in Mantra OM, or rather the OM token, you guys already know that you are bound to be extremely wealthy. Anyway, in today's episode, we're going to be looking at the technical analysis as far as the price token analysis is concerned for the OM token. So this is what has been happening. So first of all, you guys are aware that we recently had a very good trajectory. If you take a look at the statistics of Mantra, right, OM, that is, you can see that we obviously recently had the previous all-time high, which happened around $1.41, and that happened on the 21st of July 2024, and that was about 2 months ago. And the previous all-time low, right, the all-time low was a little less than 2 cents, and we are up by about 7,108%. So I really believe that the price of OM is definitely going to continue going up very, very, very parabolic, due to the fact that it does have very good tokenomics. Now, let me explain something before we dive deep into the technical analysis, because I want to share with you the fully diluted valuation versus the market cap. Now, this is a very interesting aspect that a lot of people tend to omit, due to the fact that there's a huge discrepancy between the fully diluted valuation, which is obviously all the money that is stored in smart contracts on other platforms, etc., and the market cap. So basically, the market cap is each token in circulating multiplied by the price. So that's how you sort of get to determine what the market cap is in comparison to the fully diluted valuation. So if you take a look at the fully diluted valuation and the market cap of OM, it's a very well balanced sort of equilibrium, which is something which is going to help us really get to understand the real value of the OM token. So let me give you an example of a project that has got very bad relationship between the market cap and the fully diluted valuation. So let's take a look at, let's say, for example, Fractal Bitcoin, FB. FB at the moment has got, a very poor market cap valuation in ratio to the fully diluted valuation. Take a look at this. The market cap is 24.1 million US dollars, and the fully diluted valuation is almost $1 billion. So which one would you go for? And if you guys took a look at Fractal Bitcoin a few days ago, right? A few days ago, the price of Fractal Bitcoin was around $38. But take a look at how much it has dumped in the past couple of days, from $38 on September 15th. Okay, let me even zoom in. September 15th, the price of Fractal Bitcoin was $34. And a few days later, less than 20 days later, it has dumped by a whole lot, and right now it's trading at around $9, somewhere there. So it's around $8.98. So that's a drastic drawback. I mean, this price has dropped by about 76%, because a lot of people were not looking at the fully diluted valuation. So this is one of the things that you guys have to be looking out for, and this is one of the reasons why I really believe that Mantra, or rather the OM token, is a very, very well balanced project that has been in existence for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why we had this particular price discovery moment, where the price of Mantra OM was flattening and then it had explosive growth. Now, a lot of you might be wondering whether the trajectory towards the upside is done, right? It's not really done, because we are just about to break the previous recent all-time high that happened on 17th July, and the price was around $1.34. I really believe that the price of OM is going to end up going to about $2. Okay, so now let's briefly take a look at the tokenomics right now. So clearly we do have a very good bullish flag, as I earlier pointed out in my last video, right? So if you take a look at this bull flag, right, we obviously have a very good easy target of around $2.63, just based off of a simple technical analysis pattern which is well known, such as a bull flag. So as you can see right over here, I really like the fact that we obviously had this price discovery action that happened, and then we broke out of the bull flag initially, and we had to retest it. So this is a very classic well and proper bull flag, because we had a breakout and then a retest occurred. Okay, so this particular retest was retesting the previous resistance that became support, and this is one of the reasons why you are seeing that the price obviously respected this particular support. So what's going to happen in the next few hours, or probably in the next 24 to about 72 hours, is we're going to see a little bit of a drop. Potentially, if that can happen, that will be a very great opportunity for us to sort of end up buying a lot of it. So if the price can have another retest to this level around $1.10 all the way to about $1, okay, that will be very, very good, because it's going to give us a very good buying opportunity. So personally, I'm looking forward to a slight drop from the current price. If the price of OM can end up going to about $1.10 to about 99 cents, that would be a very good buying opportunity before the continuation of a bull flag. However, that is definitely far-fetched, and this is one of the reasons why I really believe that you guys are supposed to be ready for our next leg up. So if we have to see any sort of price rejection, it shouldn't really go below $1.15 cents for the most part. But if that ends up happening, it's just going to be a very good opportunity to get the price of OM close to about $1, which is going to be a very good opportunity. So there are two scenarios. Number one, we could end up retracing close to about $1, which is going to be a very good opportunity. Or scenario two is we just end up keeping this sort of support right over here. Do you see this trading action right over here? So perhaps maybe we're just going to have a slight dip and then continue pushing towards the upside. So you guys are supposed to be ready for both scenarios. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. And more of the story, OM is going to end up going to $2, even more, and it has got a very good ratio of the market cap and the fully diluted valuation. So that's all I had for you. It's your boy Beyond 10X, aka Muna, and talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.